Here's part 2 of the Panasonic exhaust fan. Panasonic FY08E8D. I forgot to take pictures of that so I can write down all my video when I get back on call. That's making the sound the fan of the Japanese style toilet seats. It's off now. There is nothing else making sound now. I figured I can remove this grill. And there you have the inside of the fan. Yeah, in my opinion it looks cooler this way. I have no idea why, but I think it looks much cooler this way. Let's turn it off, watch it spin down, and let's take another better look at the blades. Yeah, it actually is mostly a centrifugal fan, but it's also pretty much axial at the same time. Let's look at it start up. It's loud, by the way, I didn't show it to you yet. Let's put the grill back on. Let's show it the outside. Yeah, there it is. There's the vent. It's pretty much there's no other exhaust fan in the building. Sometimes there are bathrooms and kitchen, but on the side, there's not any more disabled bathrooms anymore. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.